Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need pink, green, and black pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have a piece of string here that's about 40 inches. And we're going to start by putting this pattern on here I laid out. So it's going to be a green on both sides, a pink that goes through both strings, a pink on each side, a pink that goes through both, one black on that side and one pink on this side, a pink that goes through both, a pink on each side, a pink that goes through both, one black on this side and one pink on this side, a pink that goes through both, and then a green on each side. And we're going to pull all these beads down and tighten it really good. And once your beads are tight, it should look like this, and we're going to tie it off. I'm going to put my needle on. And we're going to go through this green right here. We're going to add a green and go through this pink. We're going to add another green and go through this pink. We're going to add another green and go through this pink. We're going to add another green and go through this pink. We're going to add another green and go through this green here. And we're going to go down this green and down this pink. We're going to go down this pink, up this pink, up this pink, and down this green. We'll flip it over, and we're going to add another row of green. We'll add another green, and this time we're going to go through both of these. And this is what it looks like so far. That side's done. So we're going to put our needle on the other piece of string. And we're going to go through this green. And we're going to add a row of pink. Okay, we're going to flip this over, and we're going to add a green. We're going to add a black. We're going to add a pink. We're going to add another black, and we're going to go through this pink. We're going to add a pink. We're going to add a green. And this time we're going to go down this green and this pink bead. We're going to go up this pink and up this green and down this green. Flip it over, and we're going to add a row of pink. Okay, now we can tie these ends off. Might be easier if you put your needle on. Alright, there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.